If you want to edit slow motion videos on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, then first of all, we need to go to the gallery. Over here, we need to find our slow motion video, and the video can be edited if we have this symbol next to the length of the video, those two circles. So for example, I can select this video, and then I can tap on this icon over here at the bottom of the preview. And here we can edit the slow motion. So here we have this range that we can apply, we can extend it or make it shorter. And once we are done, press this check in the bottom right corner. Now, unfortunately, not every slow motion video can be edited, or at least not in the same way, because if you record a slow motion video with 960 or 1920 frames per second, then in that case you cannot edit these videos. You can only edit 480 frames per second videos and lower. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!